This is the FOSSiBOT F116 Pro. It's a 4-inch mini rugged phone with an action camera. Let's see what you get when you buy one of these. I did cut the plastic in advance because I was really excited to see what was inside. So you do get the phone itself, which is pretty thick. This is the back of the phone. 2 cameras in the back. A lot of buttons on one side. And this is the phone screen with a camera there as well. And then the other side of the phone has a SIM card tray, USB-C port, and another button. What is this? Oh, it's really hard to open this. We'll see. And at the back here you have a sort of mount, so you can mount this. Let's see what else comes in the box. You get a user manual, charging brick. I got an American one though, but I'm pretty sure depending on where you live you'll get the right one. And USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is the charging cable. And a SIM card remover. Alright, so that's what you get inside the box. So you have 50 megapixel camera and a 48 megapixel wide angle. So guessing this is probably the wide angle and this one is the 50 megapixel. So beside getting the phone, I also got all these accessories. These are some of the accessories you can buy for your FOSSiBOT F116 Pro. Of all the accessories I've got here, the action camera neck mount is the one you want to get to really utilize your FOSSiBOT F116 Pro as an action cam. This is a short video recording sample from the camera. Mind you, my unit is a pre-release one. FOSSiBOT is working to fine-tune everything with the latest PixSmart imaging technology. If you are interested in getting one, you can get yours on Kickstarter. As an early bird, you will get 44% off, and that's $279 US. The link is in the description. After playing with the phone for 48 hours, there's a really cool feature I want to mention. You have a dedicated camera button right there. When you press it, it takes you to the camera app. And when you're inside the camera app, you get a blue light here, a solid blue light. And when you're recording, that blue light starts blinking. On the front of the phone, you also get a blue notification light when you're inside the camera. And when you're recording, that notification starts blinking as well. So, one press, we're inside the camera and you have a solid blue light. The same here in the front of the phone. And if you press second time to record, now we're recording. See, now the light is blinking, which means we're recording. The light is blinking. Especially when you have the phone hanging on your neck. If you pick and you see the light, the blue light blinking, you know you're still recording, right? And if the light is solid, you know you have stopped recording somehow. I think this feature is really useful. This is the FOSSiBOT F116 Pro. It's a 4-inch mini rugged phone with an action camera. This mini rugged phone with an action cam has a lot of potential. You can get this phone for $279 on Kickstarter. Check the link in the description. I'm Dominic. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.